Hi guys, and welcome back to Maths with Miss S. This is part 3 on functions, and in today's video we'll try and find an input that created a specific output. So far we have calculated output values for known input values. So if I know that my input is 3, I can put that into my function, use the rule and calculate the output. Now today we're going to reverse that. So this time we know what the output is, and we would like to know which input was used to create this output. That means we will now use the rule that we have there. So f of x is equal to 5x minus 7. We use this equality between f of x and 5x minus 7, these two being the same. We're going to use that property and actually replace f of x with 5x minus 7. And that means we will now have a linear equation, 5x minus 7 is equal to 33, that we can now solve for x. And that means when we solve this equation, we will then know which x value was originally used to find this output value 33. The first step in solving this equation is adding 7 on both sides. Therefore it disappears on the left hand side and it shows up on the right hand side, which gives us 40 is equal to 5x. Between the 5 and the x there's actually multiplication happening, so in order to get rid of the 5 we need to divide by 5, and that gives us x is equal to 8, because that's 40 divided by 5. What this means now is that 8 as our input creates the output 33 if we're using the rule 5x minus 7. So if we multiply 8 by 5 we get 40, and if we take away 7 we get back to 33, so we can double check our answer as well. Let's now try this with another exercise. So another function is given there, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5, so we need to multiply numbers by 3 and then add 5 to them to get these output values, and we know that one specific x value does create the output 26, and we would like to know which one it is. And in order to do so, we will replace f of x with the actual rule again. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. That means I can replace f of x with 3x plus 5. This now creates a linear equation that we can now solve. So to get rid of that plus 5, we need to subtract 5 on both sides. So we have 3x is equal to 26 minus 5, which is 21. And now we need to get rid of that 3. And be careful there, between 3 and x there's a multiplication happening, which means in order to get rid of it, we need to divide both sides by 3. So we're left with x is equal to 21 over 3, or x is equal to 7. And this input would have created the output 26 by using the rule 3x plus 5.